here with us today is Emily. Say hi, everybody.
Hi.
It's Sarah and Tim.
Shake it!
And Chris. And yours truly. Bought Dr. Thunder instead of root beer.
I could fucking drink that, Lydia.
Well, we're gonna throw it in the air.
I'm drinking it now.
Okay.
You got the sun. You got the sun in there.
Okay.
Oh, it's what you do to me.
Alrighty, Tim. Are you ready? Go run that way. You gotta run that way. Run that way, Tim.
Run it.
Yes.
What?
Okay, now. Count to 3 with me.
Shake it.
On the count of 3, you're going to throw it in the air. 1, 2, throw it that way.
Keep shaking it.
You're not going to get much view going this way.
Well, 3, just throw it.
Oh, good Jesus.
It didn't bust.
No.
That sucked.
Okay, hold on.
Nobody's seen
Go this way. Film this way. Hey! Hey!
If you hit my car. 1, 2, 3. Where is it?
Hey, dude,
You haven't even thrown it! There it goes! That was great! And that's what we do in Gallatin's parking lot.